Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity, and today I'd like to do something about the frunk. You see, we'll go ahead and open it. It's a two-step move. You've got to pop it with the app or with the car and then lift it, but I'd like to make that happen in one step. So come with me and check it out. All right, our friends at Evanex went ahead and sent over 2 new struts for us to replace the 2 factory struts. You could save those, throw them back in the car if you ever change your mind or if you ever want to go back to stock. These struts are a little bit stronger, and once you pop the frunk, they should help it go all the way up on its own. So let's go ahead and install them and check it out. All right, so you can see it's the frunk lift from Model 3 set of 2. So really important, if you have a Model S or a Model X, do not buy this product. It is not for your frunk. This is only for the Model 3. All right, so you're gonna take a flathead screwdriver and you're just gonna lift right under. There's a little opening here. Get your screwdriver in, kind of turn it toward you a little bit. And then this strut will come right off. And we're gonna get down to the bottom and do the same thing. So let's get you in for a better camera angle. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. It might be a little tough to see, but I promise it's the same exact process. All right, that's it actually. It came off really easy. Let's go ahead and put on the Evanex strut. All right, sorry about that. We were a little too zoomed in on that first one, so we'll go ahead and keep the zoom out. This is gonna be the same process here on this side. Get the screwdriver in, rotate it out. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and put in the Evanex one. Same process as we did on the driver's side. We're just gonna snap it in on the bottom. You do not need to widen that tab at all. Just rotate it into place. All right, there you go. 2 struts in place. So let's go ahead and try this thing out. All right, so I'm pulling it down for the first time. I'm noticing that they're probably built up with pressure from being fully extended. So there we go. Just gonna take things slow. Probably exercise that a couple times. Take it real slow. You do not want to bend your hood. All right, looks like it's working pretty well now. All right, moment of truth. Let's go ahead and pop the frunk. Let's see what happens. All right, so there you have it, everyone. Thanks to our friends at Evanex, the frunk now opens the way it should. One step, one press of the button, and you are open all the way. Carrying pizza boxes, takeout food, whatever. You don't have to pop the frunk and then lift in and lift it up anymore. So I'll have a link to the product in the description down below. You guys can go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Shoot me a comment down below and I'll be glad to help you out with it. Catch you on the next one, everyone. Bye. If you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like it, please help my channel grow by clicking the subscribe button and commenting and liking my videos. In addition, if you're looking to buy a new Tesla, a Model S, Model 3, or Model X, you can get 6 months of free supercharging by using my referral code Michael34469. Just provide that code to your delivery specialist and they'll take care of everything. If you haven't ordered yet, you can click on the link in the description down below and that'll apply the referral code to your order automatically.